and some frequently asked questions, and then I'll get into the 2023 release. Customers have asked these types of questions, and so I wanted to address them. Will Historian go away now that we have Pi? No. Historian will stick around, will stay around. It's a remarkably useful tool. Essentially, AVEVA's notion is that Historian is to be used at the manufacturing level, or the production level, you could say. If you're running a wastewater plant, if you're running a car manufacturing plant, if you're running some type of manufacturing facility, chemical production plant, etc. Historian, generally speaking, and this is not a hard and fast rule necessarily, but Historian, generally speaking, will be used at an operator level, at a maintenance technician level, controls engineer level, system integrator level, etc. Whereas Pi, generally speaking, will be used at a higher business level. So potentially integrating additional data from sales, marketing, legal, human resources, other sections of the business, right? So taking in maybe engineering data from Historian and including additional aspects of the business all into sort of one aggregate data source, something like that. That's generally what Pi could be used for. And so AVEVA kind of wanted to make that distinction. If you're looking for a Historian client material and you can't find it, the reason for that is that we're starting to migrate Historian client material into the general Historian material that we've got. So, of course, if you can't find it, reach out to your account manager. But generally speaking, Historian client material is, as a product, we're trying to ensure that Historian client material and Historian material are all roughly in the same place. They're still sold as separate products, but if you have a question on one, perhaps you have a question on another. And so all that material will be kept as one, generally speaking. And my final point here, do the individual flex parts for AVEVA Historian include AVEVA communication drivers? And the answer to that is no. But my take on this is that communication drivers are normally a very small part of the package, very low cost. And this should certainly not be a tremendous issue. If it is, of course, talk to your account manager. But generally speaking, no, communication drivers will not be included with Historian parts. But again, that hopefully is not an issue. And of course, if it is, talk to your account manager.